You can see right here there are 4 selections. One of them says climate. It actually says C-L-I-M-A. I don't know why they didn't put the T-E on there, but it says Clima. So we're going to press the Clima icon, and then up on the screen is going to be this. And you can see there's 3 different selections: Smart, Classic, and Air Care. And you can see there is a power button right here, settings, and an icon right there that says an I for information. So under Smart Climate, with Smart Climate, you can easily turn on the climate control whenever you want. However, it's not possible for the system to both cool and warm at the same time. Heating functions are only available when the vehicle has reached its operating temperature. Let me show you what that means. So you see here it says 64 and 69. Those are close enough to where the vehicle doesn't think that it's trying to heat and cool at the same time. But watch this. I'm going to drop this temperature way down, and look, it takes away a couple of things. So right now it's only cooling the vehicle because I pushed low. So I'm going to bring this back up closer to this temperature, and now these came back up and all is well. So that's one thing to consider. But under Smart Climate, I can hop right in and I can hit Clear View. You're going to see a little timer start. You see that? It's ticking away a little segment of time. And so it's only going to do that Clear View option right now for that certain amount of time, but it's enough time to clear off the windows if the windows are foggy because of condensation. And right now I can actually feel heat coming to my feet, and also I can feel air coming up to the windshield right there. I can also hit warm feet, and this is another timer thing. So it's going to get my feet warm as quickly as possible. You can see the time is ticking away. Then there's warm hands. And on the dash, it says steering wheel heating on. And so the steering wheel heat is on high. Cool feet, fresh air, quick cooling. That is just so neat. And that's all under Smart Climate. I'm going to hit power. Then we can go over to Classic Climate. And this is stuff that you're used to seeing in your normal vehicle. You know what all these things are. And you have dual zone climate control, and you can sync them, can have the same temperature. Then this is going to be your control for your cooled seats and heated seats on both sides, driver and passenger. And they are 3-way cool, 3-way heat. And then I can go settings, and I can use automatic air recirculation, and then I can switch on at the start of a trip depending on the temperature. So if it's really cold outside, I can make the seat heat cut on automatically on high, or seat ventilation on high. Now check this out. I can go Air Care, and so it shows a picture of the vehicle. And so when I activate Air Care, under Air Care Climatronic, fine dust particles and pollen are filtered out of the vehicle interior air when you activate this function. So, Air Care, watch. Look at that. You can see that the blue is spreading. I can hear the air actually changing inside the vehicle a little bit. I can breathe better. No, I'm just kidding. Look at that. So right now, I guess it's filtering out the bad pollen inside the air of the vehicle, and all of that blue is now spread all over the car, and the air has been cared for inside the Volkswagen. All right, everybody. So that is going to be Smart Climate, Classic Climate, and Air Care inside your Volkswagen. I hope this helps you enjoy your ride, and thanks for watching, everybody.